And now back to Bobby Likis Car Clinic and your host, Bobby Likis.
And welcome back to Bobby Likis Car Clinic, folks. Great show today. Let's shift gears. On the hotline with me now is Jenni Cathcart, Marketing and Innovation Manager for eBike at General Motors. And GM has an innovative new program to design and build electric bikes and is looking for consumer participation to help name the new GM brand. Jenni's here to tell us all about it. Jenni, welcome to Bobby Likis Car Clinic.
Bobby, thanks so much for having me on today.
So interesting to me. First, share with our Car Clinic listeners and viewers what you can about GM's new eBike.
Absolutely. So I can share a few details at this point. First of all, we will be announcing 2 electric bikes, a folding bike and a compact bike. Both are designed for urban commuters, and they're very innovative. They have integrated safety features. They're connected, and they feature a proprietary GM motor.
Wow, connected. You hear that, folks? So GM is offering some cash prizes to the eBike brand challenge to come up with a name for GM's eBike brand. So tell our listeners about the competition and how consumers can get involved.
Absolutely. So if you go to www.ebikebrandchallenge.com between now and Monday, November 26th, you can submit up to 10 different ideas for a brand name under which these bikes will go to market. And the winning name will get $10,000, and the 9 runners-up will each get $1,000.
Well, there you have it. That's going to be really interesting. Folks, we're talking with Jenni Cathcart, Marketing and Innovation Manager for eBike for General Motors. So, Jenni, tell us, how do these new e-bikes complement GM's overall electrification strategy?
That's a great question. So, first of all, these e-bikes really tap into the electrification engineering know-how that we have in GM. We have a really talented team that's been working on this, as well as tapping into the expertise of our drivetrain team. As you know, we've been developing drivetrain technology for more than 100 years, and this is our next iteration, is taking that expertise and creating a proprietary motor for these electric bikes. We're really excited about this product line because it is a great fit within people's overall transportation solutions. So we're really looking at this as a complement to things that you're already doing. And so what we see is that a lot of people will drive a car on some days. Some days they may take public transit. Some days they may take a bike or a scooter or some other form of transportation in combination with something else. And so the reason that we're doing this is it really allows people to have greater flexibility and convenience as they think about how they get from point A to point B.
And of course, GM's in the transportation business, so it all fits right in so perfectly. Jenni, have you taken a spin on one of the e-bikes? Tell us about it.
It is a lot of fun. So the best thing about riding an electric bike is it literally feels like you have the wind at your back, regardless of whether you're going up a really steep hill or whether you're on the flats. And so it's a lot of fun. You can get on your bike and you don't have to worry about breaking a sweat. And our bikes are so much fun to ride. They go really fast, they're smooth, and they've got some really cool features. I can't tell a lot of details about the features now, but trust me, when you see it and when you ride it, you will have so much fun.
Jenni Cathcart, Marketing and Innovation Manager for eBike for General Motors. So, Jenni, give us the website one last time. And, folks, here's an opportunity for you to come up with some creative names for the eBike brand.
Yes. So the website, again, is www.ebikebrandchallenge.com. And you have from now until Monday, November 26th to submit up to 10 different brand names that we can sell these e-bikes under, and we're looking for names that are unique and creative and really speak to urban commuters worldwide.
Well, when we get to the other side of the naming, we'll have to have you back on and help us to understand the selection progress and the process, and then we can share the name so that everyone can begin to look for at their dealership. Oh, by the way, where do you buy a GM e-bike?
That's not something nothing we're prepared to talk about just yet, but stay tuned. You'll know more in 2019.
Okay. Sounds great to me, Jenni. Thank you so much for joining us on Bobby Likis Car Clinic. I look forward to hearing back from you.
Thanks so much for having me on today.